Tangible assets le fixed assets. So over financing activity, don't get confused. Where is your where is your tangible assets? Because the buying and the selling of a fixed asset takes place. Rabali investing activities. Invest. You know that when you want to understand accounting, don't just read it. Ask yourself or invest in real life or investor. I'm telling you, once you get that, this thing it's easy, man, it's pop and place. So when you invest, normally what do? When you say this person is investing. You understand? So kadi investing, we are more interested in knowing what business funding the issuing of shares, loan, because those are the ones that are part of the financing. Basically, you need to understand it more than anything. And whatever that I'm going to give you, believe you me, you're going to make it right when it comes into the cash flow. Operating activity. Cash flow again. Barongwale cash flow. Cash flow. And then wabali cash and cash. No, it's cash flow from operating activities. Onale nagar. Ho ka go pula botse. Onale o tlo recorda the first one. Cash generated from operating activities. What lying after? Transaction paid. Taxation. I mean that one way better. Why you tomaga? But I prefer utomaga interest. And then this one I'm going to show you. Most of the time, they spoon feed you for the answer. But if they didn't give you an answer, you need to figure that out. Ne? Interest paid, and then wabali? Taxation paid, wabali? Dividend. Why you got doing? Dividend paid. Meaning the money. So now, interest paid. I'm going to show you how to calculate it if you are not given the answer to calculate it. I want you to have this so that we will referral. So there is an example. We forgive the printer because printer it really dilo jayon. Okay, I need you guys to have this one. It starts with the depreciation and income tax. Are you following? Now the requirements it was saying or just that printer I can't tell calculator in the cash flow statement, and then we were given the cash flow from operating activities, and also we were given the interest paid. But I wasn't happy because already I have the answers to calculate the interest paid. Do you see what only loan and interest? Which are the loan statement from Invest Bank on the 28th February 2017? Where one again? Only balance at the beginning, only repayment, only interest capitalized, only balance at the end of financial year. There is a difference between interest paid and interest capitalized, but that's not on your standard. But I don't want you to think about it too much. Only interest capitalized, only interest expense, the one you find go income statement. Happiness. So now, ke nyaka gore o berekishe that information o nkirele the interest capitalized. O na le balance at the beginning. The repayment always on the bracket because it's what you paid during the year, including the interest. We now need to know the interest capitalized and then the balance at the end of financial period. Now, this is how I understood accounting, the T account. And then I put loan here. That's how I always get it right, T account. If you don't understand, and if you are not even sure about what to add, what to minus, the first thing I do the T account. First thing that comes into your mind, does a loan, does it represent an asset or a liability? It's a liability. Liability increases on which side? Be sure. Credit side. Then you come here and say balance brought down. Unalen nager. Baufile amount you are 1,284,000. Happiness. And then you know the balance at the end is 420. Unale balance carry down yabugai. 420,000. And then now they are saying to you the repayments during the year. Meaning what this person ocheri a loan and a manager udiang. Is it a debit or is it a credit? It's a debit. Thank you. So kamo debit utlongwaleng your repayment kibugai 1,008,000. So now the interest capitalized. What they are trying to tell you ke gore ge motho oki ga patela go na le interest e lorong also sanchading a patela. Wa dumela if I may tell you gore the interest capitalized it increases the balance of loan. Happiness. So if increase at the balance of a loan, where am I recording it? Good. If the interest capitalized increases the balance of the loan, is it a debit or is it a credit? It's a credit. When I get I'm go by interest capitalized. Now, this is what you are looking for. Get me an answer. This is how you get it. If you're not sure what to add, what to minus, this is how you always do it. Okay. Oh, so calculate. One for 4. Are you all getting the same answer? 1 for 4. Are you all getting the same answer? Guys, accounting as the debit is credit. What is missing is on the credit, meaning you add what is on the debit. This plus this, you get the answer from here. After snokra answer, 1 minus this. Because accounting is about balancing both sides. So if the side fitali, it means this plus this, okra answer. Answer you minus this. So meaning this plus this, it's energy here and here, DJ. This one. Now you go to the cash flow statement under your interest paid. It will be 144,000 because it's the cash that has been paid. You are going to put it in brackets. Cash flow, I feel like it's the positive and the negative. The amount, the figures, they don't matter. What matters is how you present your answer. Is it an inflow or is it an outflow? Because you're not the most important thing cash flow. We are now coming to the taxation paid. Taxation paid, I say already club. A taxation paid, it can either be an asset or either be a liability. If taxation paid is a liability, what are we doing? If taxation paid, if tax is a liability, what are we doing? SARS. And if an asset, it means SARS owes an entity. Happiness from there. So now, when you prepare the taxation paid that you're going to record under the cash flow, the most important thing for you, you need to learn, is this an asset or is this a liability? You will get it right from there. I'm going to show you, get the T account for you to never ever forget it.